Are you wondering if artificial intelligence is coming for your accounting job? You're not alone. In this video, I will break down what AI really means for the future of accounting and what you can do right now to stay prepared and stay relevant. Let's go.
AI is transforming accounting by automating repetitive tasks, enhancing data analysis, and improving accuracy. Accountants must adapt by focusing on strategic roles such as advisory services and decision-making support. Embracing AI tools can lead to increased efficiency and job satisfaction, ensuring accountants remain vital in the evolving landscape. The rise of AI and automation is reshaping industries, causing anxiety in the accounting profession. Understanding these changes is crucial for adapting and thriving. Accountants must embrace new technologies to enhance efficiency and remain relevant in a rapidly evolving landscape. Artificial intelligence involves machines mimicking human thinking through data, algorithms, and learning. It encompasses automation, machine learning, and natural language processing, enabling systems to perform tasks traditionally requiring human intelligence. Understanding these components is crucial as AI increasingly integrates into various sectors, transforming how we approach complex problems and streamline processes. AI is revolutionizing accounting by efficiently handling bookkeeping, automating invoice processing, and streamlining payroll tasks. It also simplifies tax return preparation, ensuring accuracy and saving time. These advancements allow accountants to focus on strategic decision-making, enhancing productivity and reducing errors. QuickBooks, Xero, Sage Intacct, and Dext are revolutionizing accounting. QuickBooks integrates AI for smarter bookkeeping, while Xero automates tasks to enhance efficiency. Sage Intacct offers advanced financial management, and Dext excels in data capture, streamlining processes. These tools significantly improve speed and accuracy, reducing human error without fully replacing accountants. AI enhances accounting by increasing speed and accuracy, significantly reducing human error. However, it hasn't fully replaced human roles. The technology complements human expertise, allowing professionals to focus on strategic tasks while AI handles repetitive processes. This synergy ensures efficiency without eliminating the need for human insight and decision-making. Strategic thinking and ethical judgment remain uniquely human strengths. These skills are crucial in navigating complex client relationships and providing leadership. While AI enhances efficiency, it cannot replicate the nuanced interpretation and decision-making required in these areas. Human expertise ensures that technology complements rather than replaces our professional roles. The introduction of spreadsheets revolutionized accounting, shifting tasks from manual ledgers to digital formats. This technological advancement altered the nature of work, but preserved the core of the profession. Understanding this historical shift helps us anticipate how current technological changes might impact roles, particularly those involving routine tasks. Junior accountants, clerical positions, and data entry roles face significant impacts from technological advancements. Automation and artificial intelligence streamline routine tasks, reducing the need for manual data entry and basic accounting functions. These roles must adapt by acquiring new skills to remain relevant in the evolving landscape of the accounting profession. Data analysis is crucial for interpreting financial trends. Strategic advising enhances decision-making. Effective communication ensures clarity in complex scenarios. Ethics and governance uphold integrity and trust. These skills are essential for adapting to the evolving demands of the profession, ensuring resilience and relevance in a rapidly changing landscape. The evolving profession demands adaptability. Financial advisors now integrate technology to enhance client portfolios. Technology consultants guide businesses through digital transformations. Data storytellers craft compelling narratives from complex datasets, making insights accessible. Embracing these roles ensures relevance in a rapidly changing landscape. Investing in yourself is crucial. Learn new software to stay competitive. Pursue artificial intelligence-related certifications to enhance your expertise. Attend workshops and webinars to keep abreast of industry trends and technological advancements. These steps will ensure you remain relevant and effective in your professional role. Schools are integrating AI and data analytics into curricula, emphasizing the importance of soft skills alongside technical knowledge. This approach ensures students are well-rounded, capable of leveraging technology effectively. By fostering critical thinking and adaptability, educational institutions prepare students for a future where human-AI collaboration enhances outcomes and delivers more value-added services. Human-AI collaboration enhances decision-making, leading to better outcomes and more value-added services. By augmenting human capabilities, AI supports professionals in delivering superior results, rather than replacing them. This synergy allows for innovative solutions and improved efficiency, ensuring that human expertise remains central to complex problem-solving. Ethical decision-making requires human judgment, as it involves accountability and legal compliance. Automated systems lack the nuanced understanding necessary for these complex decisions. Maintaining client trust hinges on transparent, human-driven processes that ensure ethical standards are met. While AI can assist, ultimate responsibility must remain with humans to uphold ethical integrity. Navigating AI's challenges involves addressing inherent biases, which can skew decision-making and perpetuate inequalities. Cybersecurity risks demand robust defenses to protect sensitive data. Additionally, job displacement fears highlight the need for reskilling and adaptation, ensuring the workforce remains relevant in an evolving technological landscape. Focusing on high-value tasks allows professionals to enhance their impact and efficiency. Embracing greater career flexibility opens doors to diverse opportunities, adapting to evolving job markets. Cross-disciplinary growth fosters innovation, enabling individuals to integrate knowledge from various fields, thus staying competitive and relevant in their careers. Embrace technology by integrating AI tools into your workflow. Identify your niche to stand out in the evolving landscape. Commit to continuous learning to stay ahead in your field. These steps ensure you remain relevant and competitive in a rapidly changing environment. AI is reshaping accounting, not replacing it. Accountants should integrate AI tools to enhance efficiency and accuracy. Embrace AI for data analysis and routine tasks, allowing more focus on strategic decision-making. The profession is evolving, offering new opportunities for those who adapt and innovate. We invite you to share your thoughts and questions. What aspects of artificial intelligence in accounting excite or concern you? Your insights are valuable as we navigate this evolving landscape together.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it, leave a comment with your thoughts, and share it with fellow professionals or students who need to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insights on accounting, finance, and leadership. And make sure to hit the bell so you never miss a powerful new video.